Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure your device has power and proximity. Bluetooth needs both hardware and permissions to work reliably. Open Settings and go straight to Bluetooth. If it's off, toggle it on. You should see a scanning list. If asked for location or device permissions, grant them because scanning requires that access. Once done, your device will actively search for nearby devices. This step prepares the radios and software, so you can pair or change connections without wasted retries. You now pick the specific device from the scan list. Visually confirm model and MAC if available so you don't pair the wrong gadget. Tap its name to initiate pairing, then accept prompts on both devices and enter a PIN only if asked. Many use simple codes like 0000 or 1234. Choose the right connection profile, since the same device can offer audio or data roles. Selecting the correct profile ensures functionality. Once paired, you finish by making the new Bluetooth device active in the specific app or system settings. For example, select it as audio output in sound settings. Test immediately. Play audio, transfer a file, or place a call to confirm the chosen profile works. If something fails, unpair the device, reboot both devices, and try pairing again. This clears caches and resets radios. If problems persist, check for firmware updates on both devices and repeat the pairing sequence to resolve lingering compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.